You're spending hundreds on supplements. Here's what actually works in 60 seconds. Whey. No protein, no muscle. Simple as that. Everything else is secondary. Creatine, the most studied supplement on Earth. More reps, more strength, zero downside. Just take it. Pre-workout. Powerful but dangerous if you abuse it. Use it smart, not daily. BCAA only matters if your protein intake is low. Otherwise, you're just buying expensive flavored water. Citrulline. Better pumps, better blood flow, better performance. Underrated and underused. Omega-3. Not sexy, not exciting, but your joints, heart, and brain will thank you in 10 years. Glutamine. Your immune system takes a hit every hard week. This keeps you training instead of sick in bed. Zinc and magnesium. Fix your sleep, fix your hormones, the most overlooked recovery stack out there. Collagen. Muscles recover fast, tendons don't. Protect them before they snap. Ashwagandha. High cortisol kills gains. This brings it down. Less stress equals more muscle. Supplements are the 5%. Diet and training are the 95%. Get that right first. Follow for more.